In this lecture, we'll be taking a look at conditionals in Python. We will be primarily covering if, else, and elif conditional statements in this lecture. So here you can see we have one file called conditionals.py, and the variables in this file like x and y, x is equal to 20 and y is equal to 10. Now here if I say if x is greater than y colon, and then this line that comes below it is an associative block where we are formatting and printing the result saying x is greater than y. X is obviously the placeholder for x, so it will print 20, and y is y with a placeholder, so that is going to print 10. So if I run this one, you can see that the output says x is greater than y, x is 20, and y is 10. Now if I have some other conditions like x is less than y, in that case I can again print a similar line over here, and this time we'll say x is less than y and rest of the things remain same. Let's go ahead and here make it 10 and this as 15. Save this and run it now. You can now see the output as x is less than y, x is 10, and y is 15. Now we can have another statement, elif x is equal to y, and in that case we can say x is equal to y, and x is this, and y is again the placeholder. So here let's make y as 10, run it again, and this time you can see the output says x is equal to y, x is 10, and y is 10. Another type would be saying else, and we can then print something else over here, so we can just write something else like this. Here you need to put colon, and if I just comment this line and now print this output, here you can see it says something else. So that is one way of printing it and making use of if, elif, and else conditional statements. Now one thing I would like to highlight over here is that in Python we don't have switch case statements. The reason for that is if you look closely at this if else statement constructs that we have, these are as good as switch case statements in itself, and that is the reason why we don't need a switch case in Python. Now we'll be covering more conditionals in upcoming lectures.